In a heart-wrenching incident, a patient in critical condition was lifted and carried by hands by family members for 4 kilometers and was subsequently taken in an auto rickshaw to the hospital due to lack of proper road connectivity in Odisha's Nabarangpur district. The unfortunate incident has been reported on Wednesday from the Dabarighat area under Maidalpur Gram Panchayat in the district. As per reports, a person was suffering from diarrhea in the village and subsequently became critical. Though the family members called an ambulance to carry the patient to the hospital, the vehicle could not reach the village due to lack of proper road connectivity. With no alternative, the family members carried the patient on their own for 4 kilometers. Subsequently, the patient was taken to Maidalpur Hospital in an auto rickshaw. Later, the patient was shifted to Paprahandi Community Health Center as the condition deteriorated.
ଆମର ମୈଦଲପୁର PHC ରେ ମାନେ ଡାଇରିଆ ରୋଗରେ 3 ଜଣ ଚିକିତ୍ସିତ ହେଉଥିଲେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରାଥମିକ ଚିକିତ୍ସା ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର ଅଧିକ ଚିକିତ୍ସା ପାଇଁ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ CHC ପଠାଉଥିଲେ ପାପଡ଼ାହାଣ୍ଡି ଆଉ 108 ଆମ୍ବୁଲାନ୍ସ କଲ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ କରାହେଇଥିଲା ଆଉ जेहेतु आम्बुलेंस टा अन्य जॉब रे थिला से आसीबाकू देरी करिवारु एमाने व्यस्तता भितरे गोटे ऑटो करिकरी पळे आछंती किंतु सेमिति हेबा कथा न पेशेंट शुड बी ट्रांसपोर्ट कंफर्टेबली तो से माने एम्बुलेंस को जगी थांते सेठी आस्तांते आ चिकित्सित अवस्था रे एतेटा व्यस्त हेबार भी उचित नथिला।